Large waterfall here, I'm sure you've all noticed. What you've possibly even seen before and you didn't even know. It does turn up in the occasional Hollywood film. Not always a blockbuster though. But the waterfall itself, Stirling Falls, 151 metres, almost 500 feet. Named in honour of Commodore Stirling, who was in charge of Clio, one of the ships here back in about 1876. And of course it did have another name before that, but it's certainly been washed from the history book. So this waterfall, we've got a couple of moments more. In fact, I'll let you take a few photos of the waterfall from here, but then we may as well go and get a little bit closer, just because we can. What does mean? Absolutely anybody. If you're going to stay outside, you are going to get wet. Literally speaking, you will become 100% wet, head to toe wet. No real better